Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel PG Analytics. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the concept of paginations in Tableau. So it is really helpful when we create a cross tab or text table where we have used number of rows. So Tableau automatically show the scroll. We can scroll down and scroll up to see the number of rows. But when we have used number of rows, let's say thousand of rows, it is not really helpful to see the data in the view. So what we can do, we can provide the paginations and that will help to the end users to define the number of rows that they want to see at a time and they can select the page number. So let's implement that. I'm going to create one view. I'm just going to add some field category, subcategory, customer name, product name, and product ID. And we also have the row ID, which is coming from the data source. So here we can see the total number of rows we have in this view is 994. Now I'm just going to first we have to create a parameter which is the page size. So how many rows you want to see at a time? So this is nothing but the page size and I'll define it as a range minimum maximum. So minimum is 10, maximum is 100. We can change that. Step size is 10. So it will increment by 10. So I'll show this parameter. Here we can see the minimum value is 10 and we can select up to 100. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. So it will define the number of rows. Now I'm going to create one calculation using index function. So index function is going to assign the index. I'll just first convert to discrete and add it. So it will assign the number from 1 in ascending order. So here we can see this index and row number are same. Row number we are getting from the data source, index function we created. Now once we have index for each row, let's write the calculation which will be the page number. So I'll just use index divided by page size. So how it is going to execute it? It is going to execute in each row. In the first row, it is like 1 divided by 10 because the page size is 10. So index is 1 divided by 10, it will return 0.1. And I'm just going to convert that into the integer. So whatever I'm getting, let's convert that to integer. So now it is 0 point something, it will return 0. So the page size will be 0 here. So, but I don't want to 0. I want first page should be 1. So I'll just add 1. Let's see the output of this. If I drag it, let me just convert to discrete. Now notice the page size is 10. Now the page number you will notice is 1 from the rows from 1 to 9. Then 10 to 19, it is the page number is 2. So when the page size is 10, the page number should be 1 from 1 to 10. So what we can do is, this is not the calculations, a page number. So I can add one more condition. Right now, what is happening? Why it is giving 2 for this record? Because 10 divided by 10 is 1, right? So here it is 1 plus 1, it is 2. So what we can do is if index percentage page size is equal to x equal to 0. So it will check the index divided by percentage by page size. There is no reminder. So, or it is dividend, it will not show anything. It will be 0. If it is 0, then what we have to show is, we have to show, then we can do the divisions. Index divided by page size, it will return 1. So when it is 10, 10 modulo 10, it is equal to 0. It is true, right? So when it is true, then I want 10 divided by 10, it will return 1. So it will return 1 here. When it is 20, so 20 divided by 10, it will return 2. So if that is true, Then I want to show this one, else I want to show this part. I'll just end it. This will be the calculation. And notice now the page size is 10. So here we can see the page number is 1 for the record 1 to 10. Then from 11 to 20, the page size is 2. From 21 to 30, the page size is 3. Now we have the page number. What we can do? We can use this page number as a filter. So by default, it is showing all. I'll show it as a slider. So now we have the options, the page size, which one we want to say, the page number. Page size is 10 and this is the page number 1. If you want to see the page number 2, just click on this next arrow. Now it is showing the row ID from 11 to 20. Index is also 11 to 20 and this is the page number 2. If you want to change the page size, let's say 20. Now at a time it will show 20 rows, or let's keep it 50. So you can see if you keep the page number is 1, it is showing the record from 1 to 50. If you select the page number is 2, now it is showing the record from 51 to 100. So that way we can select this page number. Now the max you can see if you just scroll right, just use this slider. So we have total 200 pages. So you can change it, the page size you want, any number you want to pass, you can keep this as all. You want any number you want to keep, you don't want to define the page size, the limit, range 10 to 100, you can keep it all and you can pass any number. But range makes more sense because we can define that minimum and maximum. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it.